In this video, I will show you how to transfer playlists from Apple Music to YouTube Music. In order to do that, make sure to just get the URL of your playlist that you want to transfer. Click on the share option and click on this copy link. From in there, go to tunemymusic.com. Click on this Let's Start. Choose in here your Apple Music and then just paste in here the URL. Click on this load right here, and as you can see, this will load your playlist. So you can choose in here the tracks that you want to add. So for example, you can choose in here everything, or you can also just choose some of them. Now once you have chosen some, you can head over and then click on this choose destination if you want to right here. From in there, click this and then just choose in here your YouTube Music. Then as you can see, this will connect. So click on the start transfer, and as you can see, this will slowly transfer your tracks from Apple Music to YouTube.